What's up, everybody? Alright, so today my cousin's going to come by and do some welding for me. We're going to get some frame connectors put in. We got the ugly hole that was cut out by the previous owner for changing the the fuel pump. I guess whenever they had it. But today he's going to come over. We're going to weld the front, the subframe connectors in. They're weld in and bolt in, so they're bolt in the back where the rear control arms are, and then they're weld in the front. But we're going to go ahead and put some tack welds in the back where the bolts go in as well, or in the back area for it, just for extra support. And then after that, we might see about messing with the floor panels, considering they're rotted. We're just gonna, I'm not gonna buy new floor pans. It's a race car. I'm sorry, it's not a show car. I don't care who it pisses off, but I can't find a half section. I can't find a car that's even worth cutting them out and doing all that. By the time I do that, I could just have some sheet metal cut out, beat the heck out of them, and weld them in that way. Cut out the old, weld the new in, so be it, be done. Carpet's going back in the car anyway, so I'm not really worried about that mess. The only way you'll even know is if you get under the car and see it, which we're going to do a good enough job that it's not like it's going to be just a disaster and ugly. So anyways, no, that's kind of a gist of what we got going on now. I haven't really got to mess with the car much. Just been busy doing a lot of stuff. Like I said, time and money takes a lot of that, and I haven't had either one right now. So we're just going to do some odd things, what we can do, and go from there. So stay tuned. Where'd it go? Where? Oh, I gotta hold it up. Is that what you're talking about?
No, over on this back side.
Oh. Look pretty straight. I mean, it really don't matter on this side because this got to ride right against that frame rail right there that you're holding.
Oh.
As long as it's tight against that, that's all that matters to me.
That's probably tight as it's gonna get.
Yeah, go for it.
Got it?
Yep.
Holy hell. This is gonna be awkward.
You want to pull that?
I'll drive on.
Okay.
Hey, we gotta get it on.
Is it on?
Nope.
Turn the welder on, Doug. You guys want to go fishing?
Pull it, get out.
I'm
Pull
on.
it, come here.
Alright.
All right.
I'll get ahead and get it.
Yeah, you need to grab me one of Dad's gloves. Blood gloves. I'll just push on that and you try to get your feet on that. That's pretty good. Feels like it's pretty good. There you go. Yeah.
You got it?
Pull it.
Yeah, go ahead. You good?
Can't get a whole lot of nothing on here.
Yeah, that will seem like it has a
Pretty much all you're gonna be able to do right here is just this front side. Where we're at.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty much just that.
Yeah, you can't get back there. That one is just more of a support piece for the end.
This one.
This right here that's the main piece right there.
I'll stack it and build it all
Yeah.
down there. Well, that looks good right there.
Yeah, that'll be good. That top section you may not be able to hit too well because I didn't even grind it really. As long as you get everything else.
So what do they look at whenever they're looking at the wheel?
Well, on the front connectors, they're not really going to pay attention.
They just look at the whole
They just, I mean, yeah, the roll bar, that's what they'll inspect. They might get under here and be like, all right, well, you got a solid frame, no big deal. Because they build some where they're like full bolted. But it's cheaper to buy some that'll well bend. What's up, everybody? We got the subframe connectors in. I'm trying to figure out this freaking weird gizmo thing I'm holding. It's kind of difficult. Anyways, we got the frame connectors in. This is a week prior or after making this video. I haven't really had time. We booked down on working on the subframe connectors, and I didn't really get any footage after all that. So this is kind of a makeup video to throw in there. I took a few quick scenes to show you that they were in, what they look like. They're pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to put in, as long as you can weld or have somebody that can weld for you. Anyways, this thing is so weird. We actually worked on the floorboards this weekend. I'm making a separate video for that. We didn't get a chance to mess with them last weekend. It's very time consuming because we're trying to do them right. Like I said, I'm not replacing them with actual real floor pans. It's going to be just sheet metal, decently thick sheet metal, good support and everything. I'll try to get that video put together and everything and upload that. Anyways, God, this thing is weird. I need a better setup than this. Anyways, no, just wanted to give you guys some progress. We got the subframe connectors in, working on the floorboards right now. Hopefully in a few weeks they might be done. It's just slow progress, little by little, getting that stuff done. It's very time consuming because, like I said, we want to do it right. Even though you're not going to see it unless you take the carpet out, we still want it to look good. Even if we was to sell the car, we want to make it safe and make it right for another owner if I was to ever get rid of the car. Don't plan on doing that, but you know, things happen. Anyways, that's just a little update. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's going to be more videos to come. It's just a slow progress, so you guys just bear with us and hang out with us and enjoy the progress. And I hope it inspires other people out there to kind of do what we're doing. Yeah, all we need is your support, and we'll keep this thing rocking. We appreciate it, guys.